Ever found yourself scrolling through endless investment platforms, bombarded with promises of astronomical returns, and then stumbled upon Spaceship? You're probably thinking, is this too good to be true? Or more importantly, is it safe? Because let's be real, handing over your hard-earned cash to a digital platform can feel like a high-wire act without a safety net. You're not alone in asking these questions. We live in a world where investing isn't just for Wall Street titans anymore. The democratization of finance has brought opportunities to our fingertips, but with that comes a wave of new platforms and, naturally, a healthy dose of skepticism. Spaceship, with its sleek interface and focus on tech and innovation, has definitely caught the eye of many, especially younger investors. But is it just a shiny app or a reliable avenue for growth? Let's break it down. Safety in investing isn't just about avoiding scams, it's about understanding the platform's structure, regulations, and the types of investments they offer. First, regulation. Spaceship is an Australian company, which falls under the regulatory oversight of the Australian Securities and Investments Commission, or ASIC. This is a crucial point. ASIC is a well-respected regulatory body that sets stringent standards for financial service providers. This means they have rules in place to protect your investments and ensure transparency. Next, let's talk about how your money is actually held. When you invest with Spaceship, your funds are held in trust by a third-party custodian. This separation of assets is a fundamental security measure. It ensures that even if Spaceship were to face financial difficulties, your investments are protected and remain separate from the company's operational funds. Think of it like a safety deposit box held by an independent bank. Now, what about the investments themselves? Spaceship primarily offers managed funds, which are diversified portfolios of stocks and other assets. Diversification is a key principle in risk management. By spreading your investments across different assets, you reduce the impact of any single investment performing poorly. Spaceship's investment philosophy focuses on sectors they believe will drive future growth, like technology and healthcare. This approach, while potentially offering higher returns, also carries its own set of risks. It's important to understand that all investments carry risk. There's no such thing as a guaranteed return. Market fluctuations, economic downturns, and even global events can impact your portfolio. Spaceship, like any investment platform, cannot eliminate these risks. However, they do provide tools and resources to help you understand the potential risks and make informed decisions. Another crucial factor to consider is the platform's security measures. Spaceship employs industry-standard encryption and security protocols to protect your personal and financial information. This includes measures like two-factor authentication and secure data storage. These are essential for preventing unauthorized access and safeguarding your sensitive information. But let's address the elephant in the room, the too good to be true feeling. Spaceship's focus on growth sectors and its user-friendly interface can create an impression of simplicity. However, investing is inherently complex. It's vital to do your own research, understand the fees involved, and align your investment strategy with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Don't just take their marketing at face value. Look into the performance of their funds, read reviews, and consider your own comfort level with the potential volatility of the market. Consider your own financial situation and goals before investing. Spaceship is a tool, not a magic wand. It can be a useful tool, but it's important to understand how to use it properly. Ultimately, the safety of investing with Spaceship, or any platform, comes down to understanding the risks, doing your due diligence, and making informed decisions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.